Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to Mr. TECHFOX. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the default search engine in Firefox on your PC. If this helps, please consider subscribing to this channel. So first of all, open the Firefox web browser and you will see an interface like this. Now normally click on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner of the window and then select settings. Now click on this search option. And from here, you can choose the default search engine. If you click on it, you will see some common search engines here. And from here, you can select your preferred search engine. For example, I'm choosing here DuckDuckGo. And if I open a new tab and search something here, then it is going to be open from the DuckDuckGo web search engine. On the other hand, if your desired search engine isn't listed, you can scroll down to the search shortcut section and then you have to click on this Find More Search Engines. And this will open the Firefox add-ons page. From here, search your preferred search engine and click Add to Firefox. For example, I'm gonna add Brave search engine. So I'm clicking on it and clicking on this Add to Firefox. Clicking on the add button again and OK. So if I click again on this horizontal line and select the settings and click on this search, I can choose Brave search engine from it. That's pretty simple and easy. And that's all about today's video, how you can change the default search engine in a web browser like Firefox. And that's it. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye. Allah Hafiz.